What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today, I will be doing a makeup tutorial of Keqing from Genshin Impact. I decided to do a makeup tutorial of her because she is one of my favorite characters aside from Jean. She is part of the Keqing in the Liyue chapter. Actually, I started playing Genshin ever since the first week of March, and the game is really fun. You should try to play this game. It's really so fun. Especially it is fun to do traveling with Paimon. And actually, my most favorite character in Genshin Impact is Jean from Monstandt. Actually, I was supposed to cosplay her, but suddenly I decided to cosplay as Keqing because I like how the dress flows smoothly. Especially the stockings is really cool. And currently, I have been in adventure rank level 31. I am really excited to go to the chapter of Child, which we're gonna beat the boss. And my favorite part in the game is the gliding because she really flies from high to low, which is really cool. If you see those previous videos, those are the videos I did for Genshin Impact. I have been busy recently, so I decided to post the gameplay of Genshin Impact. If you want to check it out, it is in the link down below in the description box. So before I show you the costume, I will show you how I did my makeup. Let's do it! Actually, this makeup is one of the heaviest makeup I ever did in cosplay because most of it I put simple makeup, especially the lipstick, the blush on. I'm used to bright pink, but since it's cosplay, I really follow the character's makeup style. Actually, I bought the costume and wig in Shopee. If you want to see the link of the shop where I bought it in Shopee, it's down below in the description box. So this is the full set of my Keqing Cosplay. It has a lot of flower designs here, and these are the stockings. Actually, the costume has shoes, but I decided not to buy shoes because I'm only at home and I'm used to wearing mga rubber shoes in the anime cons since we will walk a lot. So yeah, and the side view. And this is the wig. It reminds me of the cat ears I did. So the back part is like this. If you can see properly, it has the diamond shape at the back. And the dress is really flowy. You can do that ninja pose or the meow pose. So yeah, that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. You can use this in any anime characters you like, especially Keqing from Genshin Impact if you will cosplay her also. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to follow my social media accounts. That's all for today, and see you soon. Goodbye! And have fun playing Genshin Impact like me.